ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯏ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯦꯞꯆꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ ꯀꯕꯣ ꯕꯦꯂꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯕ MP ꯁꯅꯥꯖꯥꯎꯕꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯠꯇ ꯇꯛꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯕꯣ ꯕꯦꯂꯤꯕꯨ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯃꯥꯔꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯂꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯄꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯃꯥꯔꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯇ ꯄꯤꯍꯜꯂꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧ ꯔꯥꯖ꯭ꯌ ꯁꯚꯥꯒꯤ MP ꯂꯩꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯁꯅꯥꯖꯥꯎꯕꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯠꯇ ꯇꯛꯁꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ngasi pangthokiba parliament ki mifamgi zero hour gi matamda ningthau sanajaubna kabo beli gi wafam asi pukal aduna hai kumja lising musa panjangkai humdoi gi mas humda india gi prime minister oiramba Jawaharlal Nehru matamdugi mahakapam manaba Myanmar gi prime minister Yunugalunana Manipurda mifam ama pangtholo matungda kabo beli bu Myanmar da khudol oina pithokibani matam amada Brahma haina khangnaramba haujikna Myanmar haina khangnariba asida pithokiba square kilometer lising kunithoi ka chani tara rom pak chawba beri asi aduki matik pothok leiba amadi lehau phawa mafam amani matam amada mafam asi anganba matam kumja lising sam bri yankhaida maning makha tamba ningthau panba leiba ama oina palamba Manipur gi saruk ama oirami kabo beli bu Myanmar da pithokiba adumak Manipur gi puwari da khwaidagi laibak thiba nimit amani thawong adu chathakiba matamda India Parliament natragna state lengaki ayaba amata lawkiba leite hainasu sanajaubna phongdoki magna makha taraduna Jawaharlal Nehru na kumja lising chanipan kunga taruki Treaty of Yandabugi leiriba chana kanglon sing ikai khumnakide kumja lising japan kuntraga mari gi Kabo Beli agreement matung inna Kabo Beli compensation oina Myanmar na matamdugi Manipur gi ningtau Gambir Singh hada khudingi sika jamnga gi senfam pi hain yanakibani senfam adu kumja lising musapan nifu mapan phawbudi Myanmar na Manipur piraklami kumja lising musapan nifu mapan da Manipur na India da tinkraba matung compensation gi senfam adu kumja lising musapan yankai hundoi aduai phawbudi India government da piraklami ibudau Thangjing range kalonaba Kochijang village da Kuki jo singna nau na yum kaya sajinduna leiba thengnare Surshanpur district amadi Bishnupur district anigi lonaba ibudau Thangjing hill range ka naknana leiba Surshanpur district ki henglep sub division gi manung chanba Kochijang village da Kuki jo singna nauna yum kaya sajinuna khunda silamba thengnare pau asin hai India da lisingani kolumdoi phawbuda hariba Kochijang khul asida mioi amata takiba leite khul adugi matai thangba sarukta leiba Patalian Dilek khul aduda yum tara manga kullom nauna sabugalona Kuki jo singna khunda adun leiramba thengnarakibadi pau asina makha taribadi kumja lisingani kulumdoida Google map ti yengmu matamda su yum amata mafam aduda leiba ukide aduba hojik mafam aduda Google map ti yengmu matamda nauna yum sing sabagi aseng masaktam uba phanglakibani Kochijang hairiba khul asi Bishnupur district ki phagokchau ikhai ga yamna naknana leiba mafam amani hairi matau leibi misiga mari lenana mapuroi bayauna mioi ahum police na phagatkhre haukiba mastaret ki ayukta Imphal West district ki malo makha lekai pukri achawbada chingngai oiba mawongda asiba hakchang oina phangkhiba changangai maning lekai dagi malo makha terakha da mayum panduna macha ahum lerebi chingtham ningol thokchom ongbi matau leibi chahi 38 misiga mari lenana Nambon police na case ama lokhat khibaga loinana mari lenana leikhidraba matau leibigi mapuroiba thokchom tomba yauna mioi ahum phagatkhre leikhidraba matau leibigi asiba hakchang imung manung loksin duna ngarang aroi mathau mam pangthokre pausi asina phangwagi matung inna misi aduga mari lenana Nambon police na lokhat khiba case amaga mari lenana malom tolihal makha lekai da leiba leikhidrabigi mapuroiba thokchom tomba apokpo kondum haki machin manaw thokchom manawbi amadi thokchom ongbi ibemcha mapuroiba ibo yaima busu phagat ki bagalona ngarang mioi ahum adu duty magistrate Imphal West da puthoktuna tha asigi traumdoi phawba custody da remand lauthakre ngarang rims ki miren sangda lairekhibi matau leibigi asiba hakchang postmortem taro matung imung manungi mioi singna lausinduna aroiba mathau mangam pangthoknaba nupi mayunggi mioi singda kusinakhi aroiba mathau mangamsu ngarang pangthokre hairi thabak pigani haina Chennai da pukhraga spa center amada thamlambi nupi macha ama kanbangamkre Chennai da leiba hospitality sector da thabak pigani haiduna thajaba piraga lamdam asidagi pukhibi leisabi ama thabak pibagi mahutta spa center amada nattaba lichat chatfamda namduna thamjilambi masagi sahi kungani thoi khakta ngaribi Manipur gi nupi macha ama kanba ngamkre nupi macha adubu lalonbagi thabakta chenabi Manipur dagi nupi amasu phagat pangamkre police ki pawgi matung inna lalonbagi thabakta chenabi nupi adugi mamingna Malingmai kawi mahak magistrate ki mamangda puthoklo matung judicial custody remand tawkre adugo spa center adudagi kanba ngamlebi nupi macha aduna government chalaiba home for women rehabilitation center da thamkre hari.
Thank you. A very warm welcome to everyone present here. When we speak about the present crisis, we all see two groups, Meitei and the Kukis. Like everybody has spoken right now, there is no concept of Kuki tribes as a, separate, these are Kukis. There are 30 plus communities in Manipur. Among them, some tribes like Thado, Gangte, Mar, Paite, and Simte, and some few others, they have been tried to be assimilated as Kukis. Among them, can we assume all of them are happy to be Kukis? Surrendering their separate identities, distinct in their clothes, they have distinct shawls, they have distinct, their culture, dance, everything they have distinct identity of their own. They are told to surrender and become one conglomerate, mixed up as a Kuki, which was never in existence before. Obviously, all the tribes, they will not be happy, especially those, minor tribes. This is what Thado in Manipur is representing. They want to maintain their distinct identity, and Meitei Alliance is supporting that. And we believe that more and more people will be coming out, reaching out with the coming of, we can see some sign of peace coming with the president rule imposed in Manipur. And once this has been settled, we hope to see more tribes coming out, more people from other tribes coming out and joining us in this venture of bringing about peaceful coexistence in Manipur. Now, having said that, just once I want to highlight, we don't have any Kuki programs or Kuki, cultural programs in Manipur. We have Thado program in Doordarshan and then in radio, and we have Mar programs. Like, we have been maintaining this separate identity of each tribe, respecting them, harnessing them. We want to maintain that. We want a society in which each identity, each tribe maintains their distinct identity and still coexist with others. So this is the one, actually in this crisis, earlier we also had Kuki Naga crisis and among the different tribes also we had, but never this kind of threat to the existence of Manipur has happened. And why this is happening is because there are militants, Kuki militants in control of this crisis. This separatist movement is controlled by the militants. And because of this power of the gun, the militants, they have taken control. That's why the smaller tribes are afraid to come out. So once we bring this peace about in Manipur, we are sure to see different people coming out, and we hope this is the first meeting of two different communities, Thado and Meiteis over here, represented by Meitei Alliance, the diaspora of Manipur, Meitei in different parts of the country and the world. So we hope to see many more organizations joining in, many more people coming in, and Thado INPI and Meitei Alliance are in agreement that we'll carry this forward, discussions among other like-minded organizations. And the main aim and objective of this press conference, this meeting we have, is to preserve the multicultural, multi-ethnic, peaceful society of Manipur, where we develop equally both valley and hills, because this is one main issue that hills are underdeveloped, which they have taken chance by the militants that we are underdeveloped, we are not given facilities, where many factors are there. It's not that Meiteis have taken control of everything. It's not like that. There are many factors which we'll discuss in another forum, but where we will see equal development of valleys and hills and progress towards a bright and beautiful future of Manipur.